Hold it.
We are live again from Cheddar Mom and during
it.
Blizzard 2016, and our first activity is dun dun dun.
Put it close, man. Put it close.
We are making snow cones with Papa.
Hold on. We're making
Do you
snow
like Papa's
cones.
crown? Yeah.
Okay.
He'll do anything for his granddaughters.
All right, hold on, Mia. Hold on. Let's put this cup back here, then we'll dump it all in, okay? Hold the cup here. Hold this cup, Mia. Mia, hold that cup. Push it
hold
in.
the cup.
Push it in. Push the snow in.
Do you want to make a snow cone? And add some flavor
Here it
to
comes.
it.
Here it goes.
Oh.
All right, now we dump it in. And we got the biggest snow cone you've ever seen. Yes, no. There you go, Meadow, here. Take it in. Eat. Yeah, sit with Mia, and eat.
Nice crown, Papa.
Thank you.
Is it good?
Share. Give Papa some. Papa, have some?
So there you have it. Cheddar Mom's live today. We're posting short, real, unedited videos all day long. So we're making snow cones. What are you guys doing?